Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be showing you how to easily create these 5 festive nail art designs for Christmas. The best part about these designs is that you'll only need a toothpick to create them. So let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Becca. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails as well as the first coat of polish. For today's designs, you'll want to paint all of your nails a sheer white. The first design is mistletoe. To make the leaves, use a toothpick to drag a drop of green polish up to the top of the nail. You want the polish to thin out the closer you get to the center. Add some small white dots around the leaves as berries, and then use red polish to make a little red bow at the top of the nail. Next, we'll be making some Santa hats. Use red polish to make little red triangles on the nail. Add a single white dot to one point of the triangle and then add white dots along the opposite edge. To make holly and berries for the third nail, make 2 sets of 3 red dots near the edges of the nail. For the leaves, make a curved line in green and then add 2 points on either side of it. The fourth design is simple, candy cane inspired dots. Make a line of red dots down the center of the nail and then fill in the spaces between them with white dots. The last design is Rudolph. Start by making a brown semicircle at the tip of your nail. When the brown polish is dry, add a smaller red circle at the tip of the nail. Add 2 black dots for eyes and then use a darker brown polish for the antlers. Drag a dot of brown polish gently towards the reindeer's head so that the line gets thinner as you go. Finally, finish off with a fast drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 5 designs you like the best. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.